What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 3rd gen Tundra. So behind me here we have it kind of over here, kind of ripped apart. We're going to show you guys what we're working on, but I'm sure the title pretty much gave it away. But let's go ahead and flip this around and show you guys what we're doing. So if you guys haven't been on this channel, this is our 22 Tundra in the lunar rock color. Give you guys a quick little update if you guys haven't seen it before. So in the front we have the Westcott Designs spacer lift kit, and this will lift the front about 3 inches. We have Rider off-road wheels in the black 17-inch, and then we have 35 by 12.5 MT tires from Toyo. And then on top we have the up top Overland roof rack with the Rome case. We have our R4T rock lights on the roof rack and the EX on the bed rack as well, also from up top Overland. And then down here in the legs of the bed rack we have some Baja Designs rock lights that were pretty much aimed right here, so that paired with the R4T rock lights really light up the area around this. It pretty much looks like a Christmas tree when it's lit up. Coming around to the back side, back here we have also the Westcott Designs in the back. This is the 2-inch rear, which is going to be exclusive to Running for Tacos. You can only get the Westcott Designs 2-inch on our website at runningfortacos.com. And then we got some Max Tracks, and then the brand new Rome Rambler rooftop tent. This thing is pretty awesome. It has like a corner panoramic view that wraps around the corner. Pretty cool, so we'll show you guys that on another video. But let's go ahead and get into what we're doing in the front here. So we got a little bit of wiring going on here. So we're installing a Switch Pro, maybe, if this thing will focus. There it is. So we got a Switch Pro Velcro mounted to the fuse box currently, but we're working with power trays to make a tray for this thing in about a few, well, 2 weeks or so. And then we're going to run the wires to the inside and all that good stuff. But the main reason is going to be right here. So this here is the Heretic 20-inch light bar. This is the amber color, obviously, but it is currently mounted to the CBI Covert bumper. So with this bumper, you do get recovery points as the 22 Tundra do not have from factory. So that's a huge bonus. Also, you can install a winch if you would like. And then up here, let me show you guys a few things we had to do to make this work. So first thing we had to do, we had to slot that bracket, and we also had to cut that to fit into this little square section here. This bracket and light bar is made to work with the factory crash bar, which is this right here. So this piece was taken out when we did the Covert bumper, obviously, but these brackets here will make it work with your factory bumper even if you don't have the Covert bumper. As you can see here, their brackets wrap around the crash bar, uses factory holes, and this is what the factory holes look like. They are threaded, so you can use your factory bolts. So very cool. And then the spacing between, you can see it right there and here, you can mount that 20-inch light bar right there onto that. And then on your factory bumper, I'll show you guys where it will show. So at the bottom of the bumper here, you guys have this area right there where there is that mesh. That's pretty much where the light bar will shine through. And then on the back side of this, once we have this bumper installed, I'll show you guys the other 2 light bars we just installed on this bumper. All right, so we got the bumper back on with the lights. So there's a front view of it. So as you can see there, the factory fog lights fit really well, and the new light bar fit perfectly in there. See if I can get a close-up view here. So there's the factory fog, and then here's the new light bar leveled with the light bar. So pretty cool. So with the factory fogs, we have it to the factory switch, so that way we can just use it on the dial. And this one we're going to be wiring up to the Switch Pro. And like I said before, this is going to be its temporary home until we have a power tray that will probably sit on this fender wall here, or who knows where it's going to sit, but that's where I think it's going to sit. And then over here, let me show you guys inside. So inside the truck, we're going to be mounting the Switch Pro right here. So originally there is a panel that goes here. It has like this weird hump on it, and it kind of doesn't do anything. It's just there and just has a lot of blank empty space. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a panel that will receive a Switch Pro. So this here is our Tacoma switch panel. As you guys can see here, it has our logo right there. So this one has 2 plates. Some of you guys have seen this before if you guys have been following us on Instagram. This bigger pocket is going to receive a aux beam or something very similar. They make generic versions of it. And then this one will receive a Switch Pro. So this is a Switch Pro adapter. It'll fit right in there. And then our Switch Pro will fit right there, bolt up with those 4 holes. And then imagine this as the new Tundra panel. It will go right there. But again, this is a Tacoma panel, but we don't have the new Tundra panel to show you guys yet. So imagine that up here, and obviously fitting this section, and it'll probably be slightly angled towards the driver and not just completely back. So that's where it will sit, and it'll look factory, and it'll have the exact same texture as this panel here, so it'll look exactly factory. So that's in progress right now. We'll have that eventually, but for now I think we will just have our Switch Pro, you know, Velcro to this or something like up here for now. But that's the reason why that piece is gone, just because we're doing some prototype stuff with that. All right, let's flip the lights on with the fog light on and go show you guys what it looks like. So here's a full frontal view, super bright. Go off to the side a little bit so you guys can actually see. But yeah, factory fog, 20-inch light bar, really, really bright. Obviously these are not street legal, so we will obviously have to use these back roads and off-road. But yeah, they look really good, and they actually match when they're off with the factory amber right here. All right guys, that is gonna be it for this video. We are gonna finish buttoning this truck up, zip tie everything that we need to, and pretty much reinstall everything that we took off. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, follow our channel, and subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.